Small grains, big impact. The gentle power of rice. Where spices meet comfort. This is the soul of Pilaf. Every grain tells a story of flavor, tradition, and warmth. See. So this is olive oil with chopped onion. Let's stir it. I'm stirring it so that we get a browny color. But before, I will add, this is my fat. Yeah, this is fat. Meat fat, yeah. We are starting with this first. You can also use butter, yeah, and my salt to start. You can use butter. If you have butter, you can use. If you also have any oil, you can use to do it, yeah. Our fat and onion is brown. I'll add my meat. One portion of meat. Diced tomatoes and sliced carrots. Let me add it here. It's optional. It's not by force to add it. Yeah. It's not by force to add it. Yeah. But I feel like adding it. Yeah. That's why I'm adding it. Adding vinegar. If you love soft rice and rich flavor, this pilaf rice will be your new favorite. Yes. Adding a stock. Yeah. Any stock you want to add, you are free to add. I added one stock, meat stock. I'm adding a drop of soya sauce. Soya sauce is not by force, also optional. Yeah. I just a drop. It's not even up to 1 teaspoon. Yeah. That's my pepper. I'm adding salt to taste. So I'm adding hot water for it to boil because the meat is so hard. Honestly, it will take almost 2 hours. Yeah, the meat is so hard, and it will take 2 hours before. Yeah, so if the meat is soft, then we add our rice. This is my rice. I have soaked it. I soak it with salt, vinegar, and a little drop of lemon juice. Yeah, it's well cleaned too. I'm adding fresh ginger so that it will smell good. This is lemon, black lemon. As the steam lifts, this pilaf reveals its glow, tender, golden, and rich with aroma from beginning to end. Let this golden pilaf unfold slowly, soft grains, warm colors, and flavor that speak without a single word. A simple pot, a gentle simmer, and pilaf, so golden and fragrant. It feels like a warm embrace. If you love soft, fluffy rice and rich flavor in every bite, you are in the right place. Today, we are cooking pilaf rice. And pilaf rice is cooked slow, seasoned perfectly, and finished with a beautiful aroma. Keep watching. Yeah. This is dry grapes. You add it to our rice. di momo nini. If you say well some know your jami nyami. If you say well some no to me chi obi biara nkwa. So the meat is soft. The rice is in now. I'm adding butter. Add butter. I have my dry grapes here. Raisin. Let's put small to make it taste good. To taste good. From my pot to your screen, here is my favorite pilaf rice, a simple dish made with love, comfort, and beautiful flavor. Keep watching. Please do not skip the video. It's very simple and amazing. So the rice is done. Sharp, sharp. It be sharp, sharp. You see, it be sharp, sharp. It comes one by one. You see, it's done. Yeah. Do you see the vapor coming? The food is done. So thank you everyone for watching my doings. God really bless you. Yeah, thank you. When Apollo loves you at tempest tossed, when you are discouraged, thinking all is lost, count your many blessings, name them one by one, and it will surprise you what the Lord hath done. Count your blessings, name them one by one. Count your blessings, see what God hath done. Count your blessings, name them one by one. And it will surprise you what the Lord hath done. When you look at others with their lands and cold, think that Christ has promised you his worlds untold. Count your many blessings, money cannot buy your reward in heaven or your home on high. Count your blessings, name them one by one. Count your blessings, name them one by one. Count your blessings, name them one by one. So amid the conflicts, whether great or small, do not be discouraged, God is over all. Count your many blessings, angels will attend.